Hello everyone, so we are back for another video, and this video is another tip which is intended for people who need to scan their documents and have either Android or iOS devices and walang mahanap na computer shop na bukas. Okay? And some of us is not yet aware of things na kaya na pala natin gawin. But may mga nakasanayan kasi tayo, so we didn't opt to look for other ways to actually do it. Sometimes. And minsan, free pa nga and effortless. So, which I came up to this topic. Yes, either you have Android or iOS device for as long as it has a camera. Scanning of documents is for you. Alright? So, traditionally, nagpupunta tayo sa mga computer shop to make our documents scanned. And it will require pamasahe, plus yung scan fee, and syempre kasama na dun yung service nung nag-assist sa'yo sa computer shop. But today, very limited shops na lang ang open. And yes, marami talagang naapektuhan ngayong pandemic. Majority of them were business owners. I am not creating this video to make them earn less. And instead, I am creating this video to help people who do not afford scanning of documents. As we all know, hindi lahat ng tao may pambayad. And if we can help them to do it by themselves, lalo na if they are actually capable to do it, and it's libre, why not, di ba? So, ano ba talaga yung mga objectives natin? First is actually the purpose of backup. We can keep the scanned copy of original documents which may be needed in the future, like requirements, your birth certificates, your NBI clearance, yes, our topic last time. And second, ano ba? It's like an option. Options, for example, soft copy can be image or PDF that you can store sa flash drive nyo or sa laptop nyo. Since different types of export are created to help the user to choose depending on the actual use or purpose kung bakit ba nila talaga binabackup at kung saan talaga gagamitin. So, yun yung number 2 natin. Third is free of charge. Libre siya. Since hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng computer shop para lang magpa-scan. And ikaw lang talaga yung may copy. So, parang security na rin ng mga information mo. For our first example, we'll be using CamScanner, and yes, this is available at Play Store or App Store. Just look for the application and proceed with the installation. First, you need to open the CamScanner and familiarize with the user interface. And second, provide its necessary permission, like taking pictures, as this needs your camera to actually work. And third, start the demo before using it to understand how the application really works. For example, Smart Scan, which instantly scan your document once it detects the 4 corners of the hard copy of the original document. And step 4, just proceed next, and there will be a different filters below, and you can rename or rotate the orientation. You can also do a markup if you want to erase or cover some information. There is also an option to add your signature and add notes. Okay, try na natin sa document ko. As you can see, I have a photocopied document at itatry ko siya ng without flash and with flash. These situations is for actually testing ng output ng result. Without flash, tapos gabi kayo nag-picture, makikita nyo yung shadow. Since yung normal light bulb natin sa bahay nasa taas, diba? So, makikita yung arm nyo kasi pipicturean nyo yung document. Second is with flash. Makikita nyo rin yung result, sobrang clear niya. And parang pinascan talaga sa computer shop. So, ayun. Lastly, you can export this as image or PDF, and you can as well share it directly on any messaging application or any online backup. And that's all for today, and thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye! Hindi, joke lang. Meron pa tayong isa, yung pang iOS. Although may application na talaga na nagra-run sa mga iOS devices, sa mga iPhones, but meron silang built-in. Yung built-in scan sa Notes app nila. Dami. Sa Note app nila. Pag kinlik nyo ng matagal yung Note, lalabas doon, scan document. Select nyo lang yung scan document. And, ayun, madedetect na niyo yung 4 corners as well. At masasave siya as a note. At pwede nyo siyang i-export as PDF. Ganun lang din siya kadali. Ang pinagkaiba lang, built-in siya sa mga iOS devices. And wala siya sa Android. And meron din naman talagang CamScanner for iOS. So, depende sa choice nyo at sa inahanap nyong features. Yun lang. Bye-bye!